sleek and modern appearance. It is a popular choice for buyers who want a vehicle that looks refined and elegant but still has a touch of sportiness. For those who want a more classic and understated look, the G60 is also available in a range of black and white color options. The Casablanca white and Victoria black color options give the car a clean and crisp appearance, making it stand out on the road. The G60 is also available in a range of metallic paint colors, including Adriatic blue and Seville silver, which offer a more luxurious and upscale appearance. Overall, the G60 offers a range of color options that allow buyers to personalize their vehicle to their individual style and preferences. Whether you prefer bold and vibrant colors or more classic and understated options, the G60 has a color option that will suit your needs. In addition to its impressive exterior design and color options, the G60 also offers a range of premium features and technologies that enhance the driving experience. These include a premium audio system, a heads-up display, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic sunroof. The G60 also features a range of advanced safety features, including forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control. Overall, the 2023 Genesis G60 is an exceptional luxury sedan that offers a level of elegance, performance, and technology that is hard to match. With its sleek exterior design, premium interior, and range of advanced technologies and features, it is a vehicle that is sure to impress. Whether you're a driver looking for a sophisticated and refined daily driver or a performance enthusiast looking for a car that delivers a level of speed and power, the G60 is an excellent choice. The 2023 Genesis G60 is expected to be sold at Genesis dealerships across the United States and around the world. Genesis has a growing global presence, with dealerships located in key markets in Asia, Europe, and North America. In the United States, the G60 is expected to be sold at Genesis dealerships nationwide. Genesis has a relatively small network of dealerships in the U.S., with locations concentrated in major cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago. However, the company is rapidly expanding its presence in the market and is expected to open new dealerships in the coming years. For buyers outside of the United States, the G60 will be available at Genesis dealerships around the world. Genesis has a growing global presence, with dealerships located in countries like South Korea, China, Germany, and the United Kingdom. Whether you're in Tokyo, Berlin, or London, there is likely a Genesis dealership near you that will have the G60 in stock. In addition to physical dealerships, the G60 will also be available for purchase online through Genesis's website. This allows buyers to browse inventory, customize their vehicle, and make a purchase from the comfort of their own home. Genesis also offers a range of financing and leasing options for the G60, making it more accessible to a wider range of buyers. Genesis is known for its commitment to customer service, and this extends to the buying process. Whether you're purchasing a G60 in person or online, Genesis dealerships offer a range of services to ensure that buyers have a seamless and stress-free buying experience. Whether you're purchasing a G60 in person or online, Genesis dealerships offer a range of services to ensure that buyers have a seamless and stress-free buying experience. From test drives to financing to maintenance services, Genesis dealerships offer everything buyers need to get on the road in their new G60. Overall, The 2023 Genesis G60 is expected to be available for purchase at Genesis dealerships around the world.